Hello, in this video we'll be treating past questions from SSE and UTME. And the first question goes like this. On which of the following grounds can a citizen abstain from voting? A. Religion. B. Wealth. C. Status. D. Race. And the correct answer is C. Status. Now when I say status, I mean has he registered? I mean the status of eligibility. That means is he a registered voter or is he not? Because to vote in many countries, you need to register. Even if you are mature and you have sound mind, you have to register to vote. This registration shows intent to vote and shows capacity to vote. So when you have not registered, you are not a voter. Let's move on to question 2. Question 2. An electoral system that allows party members to vote candidates for elective office is called A. General elections, B. Direct elections, C. Primary elections, and D. By-elections. The correct answer is C. Primary elections. Now, primary elections are just the name of the term given to the elections held within a political party to help them ascertain who their candidates will be for attaining candidacy, or for attaining winner of a particular election. Let's move on to question 3. Indirect election is best described as A. Only women electing legislators. B. The citizens electing legislators. C. The electoral college electing legislature. And D. The general public electing legislature. Now, the proper answer or the correct answer is C, and that says electoral college electing legislators. Now, indirect election, like I said before, is whereby a person chooses their representative by having or chooses their candidate who represent the country by doing it indirectly. That means doing it through somebody that represents their interests and their choices. Question 4, and it says the privilege enjoyed by a citizen, irrespective of his sex, religion, creed, is A. Manifesto, B. Rights, C. Constitution, and D. Franchise. The correct answer is D. Franchise. Franchise is simply the right of a voter to vote and be voted for. Question 5 says, which of the following people can be involved in periodic elections? A. Minors, B. Aliens, C. Lunatics, and D. Citizens. The correct answer is D. Citizens. We'll take you back to the definition of franchise or suffrage, and this says this is the right of a citizen. The keyword there being citizen, to be involved in elections. That means to be voted or to vote or to be voted for. That's it for electoral systems, electoral commissions, and elections. Be sure to check out the advisory and look up the key points to have a better understanding, be better prepared for this course. Thank you.